Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the website checker tool and ping tool available on SaiWebPro. To start, let's open our web browser and search for SaiWebPro in Google. Once the search results load, we'll navigate to our official website, SaiWebPro.com. Once we're on the home page, you'll notice a variety of tools available to enhance your web experience. I'll take a moment to highlight the different tools we offer before diving deeper into the website checker tool. The website checker tool is designed to provide insights into your website's performance, helping you identify any issues that may affect its visibility or user experience. I'll show you how to input your website URL and analyze the results step by step. Next, we'll explore the ping tool. This tool is essential for checking the responsiveness of your website. I'll demonstrate how to use it to monitor the status of your site and ensure it's running smoothly. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. I hope you find these tools helpful for optimizing your website.